Hello everyone, today we will make this beautiful flower earring design. For making this I am using 8 number pearl cotton thread, plier and 0.9 mm crochet hook, fabric glue, scissor, stud earring hook, white beads, golden beads, jump ring and pendant pearl, needle and thread and starch. First we will make a base, so let's start with magic ring. One chain, one single crochet in ring, second single crochet in ring, third single crochet in ring. So I will make total 8 single crochet all around this ring and complete my round. I have completed my round. Now I will pull the magic rings thread and connect it to the first stitch. By slip stitch. Now one chain, one single crochet in same stitch, one more single crochet in same stitch, so 2 single crochet in one stitch. In next stitch 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. So I will make 2 single crochet in each stitch and complete my work. I have completed my round by making 2 single crochet in each stitch. Now I will connect to the first stitch by a slip stitch. Now one chain, in next stitch 1 single crochet, in same stitch 1 more single crochet, so 2 single crochet in one stitch. In next stitch 1 single crochet, in next stitch 2 single crochet. So I will follow same pattern, one time 1 single crochet, second time 2 single crochet in each stitch and complete my work. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the first stitch by slip stitch. Now chain 1, in next stitch 1 single crochet, in next stitch 1 single crochet, in next stitch 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, in next stitch 1 single crochet, in next stitch 1 single crochet, in next stitch 2 single crochet. So I will follow same pattern, 2 time 1 single crochet and third time 2 single crochet in each stitch and complete my round. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the first stitch by slip stitch. Now our base is ready. I will cut the thread. Now I will fix this extra thread with the help of glue. Now we will make a base for stud earring hook. So start with magic ring. Chain 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet in ring, second double crochet in ring. So I will make total 12 double crochet in this ring and complete my work. I have completed 12 double crochet in this ring. Now I will connect to the third chain by slip stitch and pull this magic rings thread. Now I will cut it. Here it is. Now we will make little flower. Start with magic ring. Chain 1, 2, 3, 1 triple crochet in ring, second triple crochet in ring, chain 1, 2, 3 and connect in ring by slip stitch. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 1 triple crochet in ring, second triple crochet in ring, and chain 1, 2, 3, connect in ring by slip stitch. So we will get these type of petals. I will make total 5 petals all around and complete my work. I have completed 5 petals. Now I will cut the thread and pull this magic rings thread. Now our little flower is ready. I already made a white flower by using same pattern. Now we will make a rose. Start with chain, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 15 chain and 2 more chain. In I will skip 2 chain. In third chain 1 half double crochet. In next chain 1 half double crochet. So I will make 1 half double crochet in each stitch and complete my work. I have completed my round by making 1 half double crochet in each stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3. I will turn my work. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2 in third stitch. In third stitch 1 single crochet. Again chain 1, 2, 3, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2 in third stitch, 1 single crochet. So we will get these type of loops. So I will make these loop till end. By skipping 2 stitch I will make 1 single crochet in third stitch and complete my work. I have completed my round. Now chain 1, 2, 3. I will turn my work. So in these gaps I will make a double crochet. First double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, fourth double crochet, fifth double crochet, and sixth double crochet. So we will make 6 double crochet in each gap and connect in the 1 single crochet here by slip stitch. like this. Again we will move in this gap by slip stitch and again chain 1 2 3, again 6 double crochet in this gap, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Again connect in one single crochet here by slip stitch. So I will follow same pattern and complete my work till end. I have completed my round. Now I will connect at the starting point by slip stitch and I will leave a long thread and cut it here. It's looking like this. So these are the part of our design. I will apply starch back side of these. Now I will shape it with the help of bead. Like this. Now we will roll it and make a rose. And with the help of needle I will attach it. Here it is. Now I will attach these all parts on my base. I have attached all my flowers on the base. Now I will add jump ring. Now I will add this pendant pearl. Now here it is. Now I will add stud earring hook on the base. I will pass through this here. Apply glue and paste it back side of our base and paste it here. Let it dry. Now here it is. Here are our both earrings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.